Probably 25, 30 years ago, I started buying and collecting just items I liked. I think they bring a sense of when life was easier. This stuff is handmade, it's not plastic, it's metal, it's craftsmanship. It's just when people cared about what they did. I was actually in Las Vegas. I saw a container village. I thought, oh shit, that's cool. What would that take to build? And then after I dug into it, it was maybe the challenge of building it that made me create the container side of it. And it just expanded from a motorcycle shop, hobby shop, to a destination with retail shopping, antique sales, tattoo parlor, haircut, and a combination of everything that you typically look for when you go on a motorcycle ride. It's somewhere to stop and spend time and look at the stuff. That's your life.